These exercises are always good and interesting to practice before the Qigong, because they give you time to get ready, to get into the flow of it, and they prepare the body. I usually don't have a special routine that always the same, that I repeat. So in this video I just let myself go and not really thinking about anything, but just to show you a few examples and the rich diversity of what we can do before practicing Qigong. The lumbar area and the abdomen are very, very important, because this is where you find the dantian, this major energy center inside the body, to help you balance your presence between the earth and the sky. There are many various exercises to do for that place, that area of the body, and also for the chest. The percussion technique is really fun. I really enjoy doing it. There are many possibilities with it, and it's really good when you feel rusty, or when you feel cold, when you feel maybe you're gonna be a bit sick or something. It's really good to awake the body. And the body energy, of course. So the percussion is applied to very specific places where you find important acupuncture points or energy centers. The flexibility of your hands, of your fingers, your wrist, is really important in the Qigong practice, because there are some major points, acupuncture points, in these places, at the tip of the fingers, in the palm, that are helping to connect with the outside energy and to catch it, for it to go inside the body and to nourish it. Those movements are really playful, but they are meaningful too, and they really help your body to be more aware of its place in the universe, in the outside world, and to communicate with the energy that is there. So with those movements, you help the outside energy to penetrate your whole body and nourish it. The intention in those specific movements, the intention is really important, because you are guiding, you are opening a way to the energy inside your body. So it's better to know exactly what you are doing. And then to just let go of everything and be willing to be surprised and nourished.